In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Surprise Package in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Surprise Package is one of the skills that you can acquire in Arcane Lineage. You will have to use the corresponding scroll to get the ability, and once you have it unlocked, for your specific class, you will be able to use it during battle. So the weapon requirement is going to be either fist and dagger. So once you go and you get either of these weapons, you will then be able to use Surprise Package. So while in battle using fist or dagger, you will be able to use the ability, and this is what it does. It is going to plant a bomb on the enemy. If the enemy takes more than 30% of its health, or 5% if they are a boss, in the 3 turns where the bomb was planted, it is going to explode, dealing a lot of damage and leaving the enemy stunned. It has a cost of 2, a cooldown of 11, it does physical damage with 15 damage, and it scales off speed and luck. And you will be able to use it on bosses or normal enemies like I mentioned. Immediately upon planting the bomb, you and your party should aim to do as much damage as possible, because you need to reach the 30% threshold or 5% for bosses, and then it is going to explode the next turn once you reach those requirements, dealing a lot of damage and stunning the enemy, possibly creating an opening for you. To actually get the scroll for this ability, you just have to kill enemies over and over, and eventually you will be able to drop the scroll, equip it on your inventory, make sure that you use it while holding, and you will be able to get the skill in combat. Remember that only fist and dagger classes can make effective use of it, and as long as you choose it in battle with the appropriate cost and cooldown, you will be able to plant the bomb, start attacking the enemy, and make sure that it explodes, creating an opening for you and your party. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Surprise Package in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.